I can't believe I did this again. After all the times I've suffered and should have learned this lesson, I've gone and done it again. One of the worst, most dreaded things runners face, long distance runners, is a positive split. This is what a positive split looks like statistically. And here's what it looks like on a runner's face. In fact, I think there's some vultures up there circling me. Positive split. That's when you run the first half of your run way faster than your second. It's never by design. It's always because you went out too fast. It's probably the biggest error that new runners make is starting, especially in a race, with the excitement and everything, running too fast. So I've gone and done it, relearned the lessons. What lessons did I relearn? Let's see. Not as fast as I think I am. It's way more comfortable to bust it on the second half than the first, because the other way around is agony and accomplishes nothing except lower your morale. And let's see, the third lesson is don't try to do too much too fast. It's early in my training. I'm not Ryan Hall, Olympic marathoner yet, and I gotta remember that. Even though the brain remembers running like the wind, the body's got to do some training catch up. So yes, it's a fail, but the best part about failing is learning a lesson. Good reminder for me. Next week will be way better. I'll share next week what a negative split looks like. It's a way more fun. Till then, see you later.